Wrapping Z06 athleticism in the sensory allure of a drop-top body, this brutal 2013 Corvette offers world-beating performance for about half the price of a stuffy European import. And if you enjoy lapping like a warrior and cruising like a king, it's your chance to step into the ring. One of only 94 427 convertibles equipped in Velocity Yellow, this showroom-fresh Vette is an as-new garage queen that's assembly line perfect in virtually every way. The car's wide-body profile does an exceptional job of highlighting trim that's shared with the lauded C6 Z06 and attractive C6 Grand Sport. That trim begins at an aggressive fascia, progresses through a carbon fiber front clip, and flows into re-engineered quarters. Inside, you'll find an ebony leather interior that balances modern convenience with a fair amount of style. The car's heated and power-adjustable seats are supple and supportive. A Corvette-branded dash hangs electroluminescent gauges between a small heads-up display and optional infotainment. A broad console balances a leather-wrapped shifter between clean carpet, metal foot pedals, and 60th anniversary sill plates, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel laps a tilting column. Twisting 505 horsepower into a massive 470 pound-feet of torque, the lightweight LS7 is a 21st century testament to the Bowtie division's enduring small block V8. That power flows through a Tremec 6-speed manual back to a limited slip differential and sporty 342 gears. With polished aesthetics, Z06 athleticism, and a drop-top driving experience that's primed for optimal enjoyment, it's easy to see why the 427 convertible remains an in-demand superstar. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.